Good morning, children. In social science, in civics, chapter 5, judiciary. Today we start our extra exercises. Text exercises we have already finished. You have written down the glossary. After that, text exercises. And now write down the extra exercises. First, you write down the question, short question. What do you mean by the appellate system? What do you, question 1, extra question, what do you mean by the appellate system? Now write down the answer. It means that a person can appeal to a high court if they are not satisfied with the judgment of the lower court. Very easy answer. The appellate system means the appellate system. This can be asked in short question 1 mark. Appellate system means that a person can appeal. Appellate means appeal. APPEL, appeal to a higher court, high court or higher court, if they are not satisfied with the judgment of the lower or district court or subordinate court. You can write any word. The appellate system means that if a person cannot be satisfied, can appeal to the higher court if they are not satisfied with the judgment of the lower court or district court or subordinate court. Now write down question 2. Where are high courts first established and when? Where are high courts first established and when? Now write down. High courts were first established in the 3 presidency cities of Kolkata, Bombay and Madras in 1962. High courts were first established in the 3 presidency cities of Kolkata, Bombay and Madras in 1962. Now next question. Who appoint the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? Now write down answer. The President. The President appoints the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Now, another question. Differentiate between the Supreme Court and the High Court. Now make two columns. Here is write down the Supreme Court, the Supreme Court or the High Court. Supreme Court of India is the apex court in India. First, the Supreme Court is the apex court in India. The High Court is the highest court of appeal. At the state level, the High Court is the highest court of appeal. Second, it hears both civil and criminal cases. Where each state has a high court, but two or more states may have a common high court. Now there is another differentiate between here is describe the different branches of the legal system. Children, do you remember what are different branches? Civil and criminal law. Civil law. And here another question, how do they differ from, how do they differ means differentiate from one another. Different branches of the legal system are, now write down answer, the different branches of the legal system are, one, civil law, and second, criminal law. Now write down civil law. Civil law deals with matter like money, property, marriage, disputes. A, civil law deals with matters like money, property, marriage, disputes, etc. while criminal law deals with theft, murder, etc. Here are the significant. Now write down the directly the civil law and criminal law on your own. I give you the page number. Civil law and criminal law. In the textbook, this is given completely pointwise. Write down the 3 point. Page 60. Answer given at page 60. Criminal law and civil law and criminal law. 3 points write down from the textbook. Now write down MCQs. First, the Supreme Court was established on option 26 January 1930, B 26 January 1950, C 26 January. Children, do you remember the Republic Day? January 1970. Now tell me the answer. The Supreme Court was established on 26 January 1950. Second, the High Court of Delhi came up in A 1950, B 1959, C 1966 and D 1970. Now answer is 1966. The number of high court is in India. The number of high court is A 30, B option 28, C option 25, D option 24. The number of high court is 24. Now, who appoints the judges of the High Court? Who appoints the judges of the High Court? A. The President of India. B. The Prime Minister of India. The Government of Delhi. And last, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Now, who appoints the judges of the High Court? The President of India. And Chief Justice of Supreme Court also appointed by the President of India. Now last, which one is not associated with civil law? Which one is not associated with civil law. A. Divorce. B. Theft. C. Rent matters. And last option, disputes related to sale of land. Dispute related to sale of land. Rent matters. The rent matters is not associated with civil law. Now write down extra exercises, fill in the blanks. First, there are dash different levels of courts in our country. By drawing diagram, levels of courts. How many? 3. There are 3 different levels of courts in our country. The dash play a significant role in protecting our fundamental rights. The dash play a significant role in protecting our fundamental rights. Courts. Each state has a dash which is the highest court of the state. Each state each state has a dash which is the highest court of that state. Each state has a high courts. Which is the highest court of that state. Now write down third one. The decisions made by the dash are binding on all other courts in India. Tell children, which court's decisions are made by the dash are binding on all other courts in India. Supreme Court. The judiciary is the final interpreter of the judiciary is the final interpreter of the Constitution. Now write down true, false. First one. The Supreme Court is presided over by the Chief Justice of India. The Supreme Court is presided over by the Chief Justice of India. True. Poor people can approach only the lower courts. Poor people can approach only the lower courts. False. The judiciary acts as per the wishes of the government. Judiciary acts as per the wishes of the government. False. The PIL, the public interest litigation, plays an important role in facilitating justice to all. The PIL, public interest litigation, plays an important role in facilitating justice for all. Now, today our extra exercises finished in the chapter 5. Thank you very much.